Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Today is 15th May 2019. Today is Thursday. Today also we sit here in a very wonderful, beautiful place nearby us. And now also we are going to have a talk on a good topic. Before that, I would like to take the opinions from my other friends. So I request you all to speak louder. Okay? So Miraj, give some opinion.
Hello friends, good morning. I'm feeling very good, and the environment is very beautiful. The atmosphere here is so nice that it creates such happiness in the mind. So I cannot describe how I'm feeling. The water bodies, the environment, the trees, the mountains, the rocks, all is very beautiful. The whole scenery that I'm seeing here is very beautiful and very much soothing and peaceful. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful that I have got an opportunity to come here and sit here and spend some time with the nature. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, Samal, what is your opinion about
Good morning, friends. नेचर बहुत भल ये जगार गोटे भगवान को प्लेस भाई यहाँ लगी जो सब नेचर गोटे जगार मिलन होती नदी सहित पहाड़ भी अच्छी नेक्स्ट चारिकड़ बड़ बड़ माउंटेन घेरी रही ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस आउ मन को आपण शांत पूरा जीरो को आनी पारे मन रहीकि आपण पूरा टोटाली ये बुली पारे आप बाहरी पारे पदा को भी आप मन को बाहर करके आपन को देखिपारे मन फुल शांत हो जो नेचुरल वातावरण आ सहित बॉडी भी बॉडी पाई जो आमर ऑक्सीजन दरकार सफिशिएंट ऑक्सीजन ये मिली आपणकर स्वास्थ्य भी ठीक रहिबो बंधुगण आपण मैंने प्रत्येक दिन सकाळ उठंतु उठिकी आपण ये नेचुरल प्लेस मान को जाइए देखिए निज मन को शांत करें बस.
Beautiful. धन्यवाद Samal. Now I am Swakant putting some light on this. This type of event is quite very excellent and exciting, and this type of event in the morning gives us a lot of good things in our life. It gives us good luck, it gives us good emotion, it gives us good thoughts, it energizes our total day, it heals us from all diseases, and it gives us a lot of love, satisfaction, fulfillment, and almost everything, peace. And we can see the world is so broad and we develop broadness in us. So that is why this type of activities are highly important in our life. So I also request all of your friends, please wake up early in the morning and please go to a nearby beautiful place. If there is no beautiful place nearby you, if you live in a city, so go to the terrace, top roof, and there you sit there for a while and observe the nature. So you can also do that, and we are very lucky enough to go to a natural place. So you people are watching us every day, so I am very much grateful and obliged to all of you. So thank you so much and keep watching.